One of the most important ways to live life is to understand your why. If you've got a strong enough why, you can figure out any how, is a saying that's been said many times. And this applies to dentistry in a very special way. And to find out about that, joining us right now is Dr. Paul Goodman, right there in his offices at Nacho headquarters there in Philadelphia. Dr. Paul, good to have you with us today.
Good to be here, Terry. We've set out some nachos for you here, but I don't know if we can get...
I noticed that. I'm thinking about coming through the screen myself and grabbing some of those. They look really good. But I got to ask you about this why. You were talking about that, the why, and what is your why, particularly as it relates to dentistry. Tell us a little bit about that.
The way I talk about it is with finding your first job or your second job or finding your first associateship. Dentists largely work as solo practitioners, but at some point in their career, they would like to incorporate another dentist, for many reasons. And when young dentists are looking for jobs, they have a tremendous amount of loan pressure. They're new to the field. So they need really to identify why an owner wants an associate. And a lot of times the owners are not sure themselves. So I give them some step-by-step ways to figure this out. One of the best whys when you're finding a job is that the previous associate is leaving. Previous associate is going somewhere else. Find out the why to that. Are they moving to another part of the country because their husband or wife is doing a medical residency? Did their husband or wife get a job with a big company in Texas and they live in New York? Those are always good whys, because what that means is there's enough patience to support the new associate when they come in. I'll be happy to share some other whys with you at another time, but I feel that that is the best why to finding your first job as an associate.
Yeah, and Paul, while we got you here, I know that you work with a lot of dentists, helping them when they have questions like that and others. What's the best way for someone to get in touch with you?
Oh yeah, I love connecting dentists. I love solving problems for dentists. Really the best way to reach out to me is through dentalnachos.com or paul@dentalnachos.com. I'm very responsive to emails. I'm always on my phone. It's always with me, solving dentist problems, because I have, get text, emails, Facebook messages all day, and I really enjoy it, kind of helping put out fires for dentists out there. This is stuff they do not teach you in dental school, so I'm happy to fill in the gaps.
Sounds good. Well, Paul Goodman, DMD, Dr. Nacho, thank you very much for joining us today.